Today, I have a small secret about BMW car common problems to review, which can help BMW car owners to save up to thousands of ringgits. Hello everyone, my name is 𝗦𝗵 from Prestige Carcare. Today in this video, I wish to share with you that BMW F10 5 Series and BMW F02 7 Series, their aircon system are prone to have abnormal loud humming noise when on high speed. Let me show you the way which might help you to save up to thousands of ringgits. Above are just a few simple steps to solve this problem without changing any parts. I hope this video can benefit to BMW car owners. Thanks for watching.